Here is a very brief history of the National Eisteddfod, known today as the largest competitive festival in Europe for music, poetry and the arts. Its origins can be traced back to 1176, when Lord Rhys hosted the first known event which resembles an Eisteddfod. He held two major competitions at Cardigan Castle, one in poetry and the other in music, which attracted competitors from far and wide. We know of similar events that were held in the 15th and 16th centuries, and this is when the term Eisteddfod was coined. However, these gatherings generally declined during the reign of Henry VIII. London-based Welsh societies revived the Eisteddfod tradition at the end of the 18th century. From this moment on, local and nationally scaled Eisteddfodau were held regularly. However, it is not until 1860 that a council and general committee were elected to manage yr Eisteddfod Genedlaethol, a newborn national organisation. The following year, at Aberdare, the first official National Eisteddfod was held, and a National Eisteddfod has been held almost every year since 1861.